Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to Cray's Flavor King, where we bring you the best recipes to make your kitchen the heart of your home. Today, I'm excited to share with you a super tasty and easy recipe for baked teriyaki chicken. This dish is not only delicious but also incredibly simple to prepare. This dish is perfect for weeknights or even impressing guests on the weekend. Imagine serving this flavorful chicken at your next family gathering or dinner party. Let's dive right in. Get your aprons on and let's get cooking. Alright, first up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of white sugar, which will add the perfect amount of sweetness to our sauce, 1/2 cup of soy sauce for that rich umami flavor, 1/4 cup of cider vinegar to give it a nice tangy kick, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch which will help thicken our sauce, 1 tablespoon of cold water to mix with the cornstarch, 1 clove of garlic, minced for that aromatic touch, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, adding a bit of warmth and spice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper for a hint of heat, and 12 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These will soak up all the delicious flavors of our teriyaki sauce. Got everything? Great. Let's move on to the next step. Now, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. This high temperature will help caramelize the sauce on the chicken. Lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking dish. This will prevent the chicken from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Next, we're making the star of the show, the teriyaki sauce. This sauce is what makes this dish so special. Combine the sugar, soy sauce, cider vinegar, cornstarch, cold water, minced garlic, ground ginger, and black pepper in a small saucepan. Make sure to mix everything well. Set it over low heat. This will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Stir frequently, and let it simmer until the sauce thickens and bubbles. This is when the magic happens. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. Once it's thick and glossy, remove it from the heat. Now for the chicken. Place the boneless, skinless chicken thighs in the prepared baking dish. Arrange them in a single layer for even cooking. Place the boneless, skinless chicken thighs in the prepared baking dish. Brush both sides of each thigh with the luscious teriyaki sauce. Be generous with the sauce to ensure every bite is flavorful. Make sure to reserve any extra sauce for basting. This will keep the chicken moist and flavorful as it bakes. Pop the dish into your preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. The high heat will help the sauce caramelize beautifully. After 30 minutes, flip the chicken and brush with more of that amazing sauce. This ensures both sides are equally delicious. Keep baking, basting with the remaining sauce every 10 minutes until the chicken is no longer pink and the juices run clear. This step is crucial for that perfect sticky finish. This should take another 20 to 30 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing by now. And there you have it. Your delicious sticky baked teriyaki chicken is ready to be devoured. Delicious sticky baked teriyaki chicken that's sure to be a hit. The perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors. Serve it up with your favorite sides and enjoy. This dish pairs wonderfully with steamed rice, sautéed vegetables, or a fresh salad. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more delicious recipes to you. Thanks for joining me today on Cray's Flavor King. Happy cooking, everyone. Until next time, keep those kitchens buzzing with flavor.